Hey friends, let's take a breathing break. I have a special prop with me today, a bucket. What does a bucket have to do with breathing? Well, let's find out. First of all, take a deep breath in and out. Where did you feel your breath moving in your body? Probably in your chest, maybe in your belly, maybe in your shoulders. Well, I want to tell you about one way that your ribs move when you breathe. So you know that your rib cage is part of your chest and you feel your chest moving when you breathe. You might feel it moving out, you might feel it moving up, you might feel it moving back. But did you know that your individual ribs move when you breathe? They move like a bucket handle. So you have ribs in the front of your body and you have some in the back of your body. So in the front of your body, when you breathe in, your ribs move up like a bucket handle. So they obviously don't move quite this far. It's a much smaller movement, but it's there. You can see it from this angle too. So when you inhale and when you exhale, they move back down. Same thing in the back of your body. When you breathe in, so it would be like turning the bucket this way so that you could see the ribs in the back. When you breathe in, your ribs move up like a bucket handle and down again. So now put your hands on your ribs, kind of in the front of your body. And when you breathe in, I want you to feel with your hands and notice what you feel. Can you visualize, feel, or imagine your individual ribs moving like the bucket handle? And now, bring your hands around to the back. So just put them on the rib cage wherever you can reach on the back side of your body. And again, take a few breaths. Feel, visualize, or imagine the movement of your ribs just like the bucket handle. Bring your hands down by your sides and take a few breaths with your eyes closed, feeling, visualizing, or imagining your individual ribs lifting and lowering on your inhale and exhale like the bucket handle. Not just these ribs down here, but even up here, closer towards your collarbone. Can you visualize, feel, or imagine those ribs, those smaller, narrower ribs, moving just like the bucket handle? Let's close our eyes and breathe. Take one more breath. And you can open your eyes. So now you know that each individual rib moves on its own, just like this bucket handle. And even while it does this, moving like the bucket handle, your whole rib cage still expands and contracts as a whole while you breathe. So I hope that learning a little bit more about how your body breathes is helpful, and that you can use this focal point to take a breathing break at any point in your day when you're feeling like you do need to take some deep breaths or that you need to manage stress or calm down, find a place to sit quietly, close your eyes, and watch, notice, feel, or imagine your individual ribs lifting and lowering like the bucket handle as you inhale and exhale. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you for the next breathing break.